Still creating content manually? Let's fix that today. What if AI could create a week's content in minutes? Today, you'll master a simple 4-step AI content system. Let's discover how creators save hours every week.
Welcome to this explainer. If you've ever sat at your desk just staring a hole through your phone, desperately trying to summon the creative energy to post something, anything, to your brand's social media, yeah, you're in the right place. We all know that painful reality, right? Staring at that blinking cursor, finally writing one okay-ish caption, and then spending the next hour agonizing over how to tweak it for every single platform. Well, today we're breaking down a highly structured, incredibly efficient 4-step AI workflow designed to fix exactly that. I mean, seriously, have you ever spent an hour just rewriting one social media post for different platforms? It's a massive, super common frustration for creators and business owners alike. You know how it goes. You start the week strong, but by Wednesday, boom, you hit a wall, completely out of ideas. So you either skip posting, which obviously hurts your growth, or you panic, rush something out, throw a handful of random hashtags into the void, and just kind of hope for the best. It's exhausting, and let's be honest, it rarely actually drives engagement. But here's the thing. There's a massive paradigm shift happening right now. The old way? That meant blank screens, manual rewrites, and playing a guessing game with your hashtags. The real fix to this content drought isn't just to grind harder or post more. No way. The solution is utilizing a repeatable 10-minute AI system that instantly hands you 10 fresh ideas, natively formats them for different apps, and applies structured hashtags. We're literally going to turn what used to be 3 hours of pulling your hair out into a 10-minute breeze.
So here's our agenda for today. Step 1, we'll generate ideas. Step 2, caption variations. Step 3, repurpose content. Step 4, hashtag framework. And finally, we'll wrap up with a quick practice assignment. All right, let's dive right in. Step 1, generate ideas. Or as I like to call it, a week of content in seconds.
To kick things off, you're going to open up your favorite AI tool, ChatGPT, Claude, whatever works for you. Start by giving the AI some basic context. First, just describe your business or niche in one simple sentence. Second, ask for 10 post ideas. But, and this is absolutely crucial, you must ask the AI to mix up the types of posts. You want a good blend of educational, promotional, and engagement content. Why? Well, because if you only post promotional stuff, your feed is basically going to feel like one giant, exhausting billboard, and people are just going to tune out. Finally, once the AI spits out that list, pick your 3 to 5 favorites. You really don't have to use all 10.
In fact, the magic key to unlocking your first week of content is this exact prompt. Give me 10 social media post ideas for your business or niche this week, mixing educational, promotional, and engagement posts. Just copy and paste that. That single sentence sets perfect parameters so the AI knows exactly what you need.
Moving on to step 2, caption variations. And the golden rule here, never, ever settle for the first draft.
Okay, I have to issue a serious warning on this one. Never just accept the very first caption the AI gives you. Honestly, that first pass usually sounds a bit robotic, right? Kind of generic? Instead, use this specific prompt. Write 3 caption variations for this post. 1 funny, 1 professional, 1 storytelling style. By demanding 3 distinct styles, you're giving yourself a real palette to work with. Say you're writing about mornings. Your funny draft might joke about needing 5 coffees to function. Your professional draft might drop a hard-hitting industry stat. And the storytelling one? That could start with a personal anecdote about a failure you learned from. You can pick the one that instantly hits the mark, or just mix and match lines until it sounds exactly like your brand.
Let's actually break down the strategy behind these styles, because as we all know, context is everything. That funny style, incredible for platforms like Instagram or TikTok where you really want to show off your personality and actually stop the scroll. The professional tone is totally your go-to for LinkedIn or B2B audiences where establishing credibility is the main goal. And that storytelling style, perfect for Facebook or longer captions where you're trying to build a deeper connection with your community. Matching the right tone to the right audience is literally half the battle.
Okay, on to step 3, repurpose content. This is all about taking one idea and spreading it across multiple platforms.
So you've got that one perfect caption now, but please, do not just copy and paste it everywhere. You have to fracture it natively. If your core idea is about time management, for instance, your LinkedIn post should highlight 3 professional takeaways aimed at busy executives. Your TikTok script, That needs to open with a fast, 3-second hook like, "Stop wasting your mornings," really leaning into that short-form energy. And then your X account can take that exact same concept and break it down into a digestible, step-by-step thread. It's all about mapping the same message to the specific culture of each app.
Now, how do we actually do that without losing another hour of our lives? Simple, by using this prompt. Turn this caption into a LinkedIn post, a TikTok script, and an X/Twitter thread. It is genuinely that easy to completely automate the agonizing process of manual rewriting. The AI totally gets the native formats of these platforms and will automatically structure your single idea to perfectly fit the vibe of each app.
Next up, step 4, our hashtag framework. We call this the 4-layer strategy. Look, guessing at hashtags is dead. Just throwing random words at the wall to see what sticks is a complete waste of your time. You need a structured approach for reach and relevance. Think of your hashtags as 4 stacked layers that act like a map, telling the algorithm exactly who needs to see your post. Layer 1, viral discovery tags. Think really broad stuff like hashtag shorts or hashtag trending. Layer 2 is topic tags. These are specifically about your subject, like hashtag AI tools. Layer 3 is audience tags, calling out exactly who you're talking to, like hashtag creators or hashtag entrepreneurs. And finally, layer 4 is search intent tags. Ask yourself, what is someone actually typing into that search bar? Something like hashtag AI for beginners. When you stack these 4 layers, you are completely covering your bases for both broad reach and targeted relevance.
Now, when it comes to the sheer volume of tags, 8 to 12 is your hard mathematical rule for short-form video, like shorts or reels. You want to aim for 8 to 12 highly relevant hashtags using that 4-layer framework we just talked about. Though if you're doing long-form videos, the source material notes you can actually expand that just a bit, up to 10 to 15 hashtags.
Oh, and here is a super crucial pro tip, so you don't accidentally sabotage your own success. You have to rotate your hashtags based on the topic. Please do not just repeat the exact same list on every single post. If you just copy and paste the same 12 tags day in and day out, the platform algorithms might start viewing your account as spammy and, literally, just start ignoring your posts. So keep it fresh and always keep it highly relevant to the specific topic of the day.
All right, that brings us to our practice assignment. It's time to put these 4 steps to work. Here is your actionable checklist, and I want you to execute this the moment this explainer ends. First, pick a topic from your niche and ask the AI to generate 10 mixed ideas. Second, pick your absolute favorite idea from that list and have the AI write 3 caption styles. Remember, funny, professional, and storytelling. Third, use the AI to repurpose that winning caption natively for LinkedIn, TikTok, and X. And fourth, apply that 4-layer hashtag framework so the algorithm knows exactly who to serve your brilliant new content to.
I want to leave you with this final thought. Are you ready to turn your next 10 minutes into a whole week of content? Because you now have the exact framework to end that Wednesday content drought, stop staring at blank screens, and start working smarter, not harder. The whole system is right in front of you. So what are you going to create in your next 10 minutes? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and hey, happy creating.
Today you learned the complete AI content workflow. Create 1 week's content and share your results. Tomorrow, we'll use AI to create blogs that rank on Google. Subscribe and continue your AI journey with Fecund Circle.